Welcome back to our channel. We are absolutely thrilled to have you join us today as we embark on an exciting journey into a topic that is not only highly relevant, but also incredibly intriguing for those who are passionate about cryptocurrencies. The potential for a new Bitcoin bull run that many experts anticipate will unfold in 2024. Are there specific indicators that we should be paying close attention to? What significant events could possibly trigger a substantial increase in Bitcoin prices? Throughout this video, we will thoroughly explore these pivotal questions and analyze the various factors that could significantly influence this critical juncture in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin boasts a captivating and intricate history, characterized by dramatic bull runs and periods of volatility that have left countless investors astonished and captivated. Launched in 2009 by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was introduced as a decentralized digital currency, designed to operate without a central authority, like a bank or government. This revolutionary concept paved the way for a new financial paradigm and marked the beginning of the cryptocurrency era. Each cycle within the market has its own unique catalysts, which can range from shifts in investor sentiment to groundbreaking technological advancements within the cryptocurrency sector. The first notable surge in Bitcoin's value occurred in 2011, when it climbed from just a few cents to over $30, capturing the attention of early adopters and tech enthusiasts. However, this initial excitement was followed by a rapid correction, leading to a significant drop in price. This cycle of boom and bust became a defining characteristic of Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market. As we look toward the future, the year 2024 is shaping up to be a particularly crucial time, with a growing number of analysts and investors predicting another major bull run on the horizon. But what exactly makes this year so special, and why could it prove to be such a decisive period for Bitcoin's future? Let's delve into the reasons that could potentially lead to a significant transformation in the cryptocurrency landscape. To gain a comprehensive understanding of the potential for a bull run in 2024, it is essential to take a moment to reflect on the historical context of Bitcoin's journey. For instance, let's consider the remarkable bull run of 2017, which was marked by extensive media coverage and an escalating enthusiasm among investors. During this exhilarating period, Bitcoin's price skyrocketed to nearly $20,000, a remarkable milestone that captured global attention and ignited discussions in every corner of the world. The surge was fueled by various factors, including increasing media coverage, the rise of initial coin offerings, ICOs, and a growing interest from retail investors. Following this, in 2020, we witnessed the emergence of institutional adoption, as prestigious companies like MicroStrategy and Tesla made the strategic decision to invest substantial amounts into Bitcoin. These historical events vividly illustrate that external factors, such as institutional engagement and overall market sentiment, can profoundly influence Bitcoin's trends and its overall value. Now let's shift our focus to recent developments that may suggest a bullish trend for Bitcoin as we approach 2024. Recent reports have highlighted a significant increase in institutional investments, with hedge funds and asset managers actively expanding their holdings in Bitcoin and demonstrating an increasingly robust confidence in the market. According to an in-depth report from Fidelity, institutional investors are becoming progressively more comfortable with Bitcoin, perceiving it not merely as a store of value, but also as an effective strategy for hedging against inflation and a vital diversification tool for their investment portfolios. This development serves as a powerful positive signal, as the confidence and interest exhibited by institutional investors can have a remarkable impact on Bitcoin's demand and price dynamics, effectively paving the way for new opportunities for growth. Now let's transition to a thorough analysis of the current market trends, which is an essential aspect for anyone seeking to comprehend Bitcoin's future trajectory. At this very moment, we are observing a noteworthy increase in trading volumes, alongside a generally positive sentiment among investors. These factors serve as strong indicators of a potential upward movement in Bitcoin's price. An additional tool that proves useful for gauging market sentiment is the Fear and Greed Index, which has recently displayed a distinct tendency towards greed. This indicates that investors are feeling optimistic about Bitcoin's future and are willing to commit their resources. Furthermore, on-chain metrics, such as wallet activity and transaction volumes, suggest that an increasing number of users are beginning to invest in Bitcoin, further solidifying the possibility of a bull run. When we take all these elements into account, it becomes apparent that a very favorable environment is being cultivated for a potential price increase. Another critical aspect that we cannot afford to overlook is the evolution of the regulatory landscape concerning cryptocurrencies. Over time, governments around the world are starting to establish clearer and more consistent regulations for cryptocurrencies, which could lead to enhanced adoption and increased confidence among investors. The regulatory environment has historically been a significant factor influencing market dynamics. For instance, the Chinese government's crackdown on cryptocurrency exchanges in 2017 led to a massive price drop, highlighting how regulatory actions can sway investor sentiment. Favorable regulatory changes in key markets, such as the United States and Europe, could indeed set the stage for a significant bull run. For example, the recent approval of Bitcoin ETFs has represented a crucial milestone, as it has facilitated further institutional investments, which could consequently amplify demand. This is a fundamental aspect to keep a close eye on, as regulation can profoundly impact the cryptocurrency market and the decision-making processes of investors. Moreover, the increasing awareness and acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class are also contributing to its growing popularity. Major financial institutions, including banks and investment firms, are beginning to incorporate cryptocurrencies into their offerings, enabling a broader range of investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. This trend signifies a shift in perception, as Bitcoin is increasingly viewed not just as a speculative investment but as a viable component of a diversified portfolio. This acceptance is further bolstered by the involvement of well-known investors and figures in the finance world, who are publicly endorsing Bitcoin and its potential as a hedge against economic instability. In addition to these factors, technological advancements within the Bitcoin ecosystem itself are also worth noting. Innovations such as the Lightning Network aim to enhance transaction speed and reduce fees, making Bitcoin more practical for everyday transactions. As these technologies continue to mature, they could further bolster Bitcoin's appeal and usability, attracting new users and investors. The development of user-friendly wallets and exchanges also enhances accessibility, allowing even novice investors to participate in the market with ease. The broader economic landscape is another element that could influence Bitcoin's trajectory in 2024. As central banks around the world continue to implement monetary policies that lead to inflation, many investors are turning to Bitcoin as a potential store of value. The ongoing debate surrounding traditional fiat currencies and the stability of financial systems further fuel interest in decentralized alternatives like Bitcoin. This environment creates a unique opportunity for Bitcoin to position itself as a safe haven asset. As we approach 2024, Bitcoin's halving event, which occurs roughly every 4 years, could also play a pivotal role in shaping market dynamics. Historically, halving events have led to significant price increases as the supply of new Bitcoins entering the market is reduced. The next halving is expected to take place in 2024, and many analysts believe it could catalyze the next bull run by decreasing supply, while demand continues to rise. In conclusion, the year 2024 could very well signify a monumental turning point for Bitcoin, propelled by established historical patterns, current market trends, and favorable regulatory shifts. We are genuinely eager to hear your thoughts on this matter. What factors do you believe could act as catalysts for the next bull run? We encourage you to share your opinions in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful analysis and updates on the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. Together, we can explore and navigate this thrilling market, uncovering new opportunities and emerging trends along the way.